Namaste from this side to that. Design can be referred to the act of creating a composition or to the composition itself. But have you ever wondered what are design elements and principles that compose this composition? Ever wondered why certain elements land exactly where they do? It's not magic. It's the core concept of what goes where that defines the visual dance of design. This month, we are going to master design elements and design principles. And this is not your typical design tutorial. It's the only one you'll need to level up your design game. So let's get started. Design elements are the visual alphabets, and principles are the grammar that brings compositions to life. So let's first get an understanding of the visual alphabets, the design elements in this video, and I'll post a video on design principles soon. Point. The silent storytellers in design wield immense power in guiding the viewer's journey, anchoring focus, and punctuating the visual narrative with precision. Lines in design speak volumes. Whether real or imagined, they shape the mood. Implied line is a line that doesn't really exist but appears to be present. These aren't drawn, but they are created. With colors, shadows, shapes, textures, and spaces between objects. Their purpose is to guide the viewer's eyes within the artwork and emphasize certain elements. On contrary to this, actual line is a line that is actually present. Horizontal lines are calm and quiet. Vertical lines suggest more of a potential for movement. Diagonal lines infuse energy, vitality, creating a dynamic visual symphony. Shape encloses a two-dimensional area. In graphic design, shapes come in three flavors: mechanical, organic, and abstract. Mechanical shapes, also called geometric shapes, boost geometric precision, adding structure and stability to designs. Organic shapes mimic the natural world, featuring rounded edges or textures for a more organic aesthetic. Abstract shapes are irregular shapes that can be used to add symbolism or variety to design. They are created by abstracting the most basic and recognizable aspects of a real-life shape and creating a simplified representation of it. As an example, think of a website wireframe where mechanical shapes dominate, exemplifying the role of shapes in visual design. Form encloses a volume or three-dimensional area. Forms can and should be viewed from any angles. Color, the vibrant heartbeat of design, goes beyond aesthetics. It's a language that evokes emotions, communicates messages, and establishes the very mood of a composition. Always consider color in relation to surrounding colors. Using the link that's showing up on your screens right now, you can check the detailed video that I have created on this topic. In the dynamic world of design, value is the magician that breathes life into the visuals. It's the play of light and shadow, the subtle gradations that transform a mere sketch into a three-dimensional masterpiece. Imagine it as the mood setter, creating depth, highlighting focal points, and infusing your composition with a visual rhythm that captivates the eye. Value is the secret sauce that turns a flat surface into a canvas brimming with dimension. Texture invites the viewer to not just see, but to feel the design, creating a dynamic interplay that sparks curiosity and engagement. It creates emphasis, movement, pattern, emotion. Whether it's the creamy warmth of wood or the sleek smoothness of glass, each texture weaves a narrative, transforming the ordinary into an immersive experience. Space. The unsung hero in design is the breadth between elements, shaping not only the physical layout but the emotional resonance of a composition. It's the pause that lets elements breathe, fostering harmony and allowing the design to speak its own language. Mastering the dance of positive and negative space is the key to creating visual poetry that resonates with your audience. And there you have it, design elements, the visual alphabets that create your design. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Stay tuned for the upcoming video on design principles that are the grammar that brings compositions to life. Until then, hasta la vista, cheero.